Class 10th, all of you welcome. Now we are continuing exercise 5.3, okay? Example 4 I am taking now. Example 4. I am reading from textbook. How many terms of AP given to you? 9, 17, 25, ... How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Sum is given to you. Okay. How many terms? Let us say n terms. We don't know. So Sn is given to you 636. Clear? From this example, you should understand what is asked, how many terms. And what is given, that terms sum is equal to 636. आपको Sn मिल गया sir? Right? And if you know Sn, you know A equal to 9. Look here now, A equal to 9. D you can find 17 minus 9 what? Yes. That is what? You got it? 8. Fine. Now see, I know Sn, I know A, I know D. Now just think about right formula of Sn. If you are given Sn, कुछ दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है, Sn दिख रहा है, Sn का फॉर्मूला तो लिख लो, देखना आपको कुछ ना कुछ दिख जाएगा. You will come to know something from that formula only. Honestly, don't waste time for thinking. So Sn is 636, we got it. N is not known, n upon 2. A is known, 2 times A means 2 9s 18. Plus n is not known, n minus 1 as it is. D is known, 8. Open. See, the 6, 2 comes this side, so it becomes 1272. 2 multiplied by 636 equal to n bracket 18 plus 8n minus 8. Okay, please open bracket, see, n multiplied by bracket में 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8n. Further, 1, 2, 7, 2 equal to 10n plus 8n square. Students, please see, I think you understood now. From question only we started, right, wrote formula. We got A, D from the AP. Okay, we have put the values. Be careful. Now see, all are even terms. Something is common. 2 is common. We are taking common. Okay, see, we got 5n plus 4n square. 2 is common. Now bring 636 this side. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. We got quadratic equation. Now we are knowing how to solve quadratic equation. Yes or no? See, 4 minus 636. Please remember the way we know. We are multiplying 636 by 4. We got, see, 4, 6, 24. 4. 25. So equal to minus 2544. This is known to us. When we find the middle term splitting, we are multiplying constant and coefficient of x square. That is what we did. After that, very big number, find prime factors. Very easy. See, even number, cancel, divide by 2. Again, see, just try to do it. Please factorize properly. You are getting 2 1s 2, 2 2 4, remainder 1, 2 7s 14, 2 2s 4, 2 6 12, 2 3 6, remainder 1, 2 6 12, 2 3 6, 2 1s 2, remainder 1, 2 8 16. Now again 2 1s 2, 2 5 10, 1, 2 9 18. Are you getting this one? Please just do the splitting properly. No great hurry. Okay. Now see, 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15. Again divisible by 3. 3 5 15, 3 3 9. 53 is prime number. So 53 ones. Now very big question. No, अब क्या करूँ कैसे? Just try yourself only. See, first multiply all these numbers. 2 2 4, 4 2 8, 8 2 16, 16 3 48. 48 and 53. Difference क्या है जी? 5 है. आराम से मिल गया हो. Yes or no? Easily you are getting it now. 48 and 53. Now middle term is positive. So we should take 53 positive because product is negative. So one of them is negative. So which is to be made negative depends upon midterms sign. It is positive, so bigger number is positive, small number negative. We are getting it. Now see, 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. The way you are writing, you are correct. Only important sign which is to be made negative. Now see here, n is common because 53 is prime, 4 is even, so we cannot take common from 53. Again now see 48. So here 4n. So I will take 12 common. 4n. Okay, plus 53 equal to 0. कैसे किया मैंने? कुछ नहीं किया. I wrote this bracket as it is. This is 4n. So what is to be multiplied to 4 to get 48? 12. This much you can do. Yes or no? So you are getting now n minus 12 and 4n plus 53 equal to 0. Please remember this one. You are getting it right. 4n square plus 53n. n is common. 4n plus 53 minus 12 common, 4n plus 53, because here 4n plus 53 so दूसरा bracket भी वही होगा, that is second bracket, so it's very easy. Now we are taking n equal to 12 and here it is 4n equal to minus 53. So n equal to minus 53 upon 4. This is not valid because n is never negative or fraction. N is always positive whole numbers. So n equal to 12. Correct answer. Okay. Now see. From this, you understood, beginning from the same sum given, from AP we have put value, making quadratic equation. So here important part is splitting. So this is very, very important part. See, I did rough work here only. Okay, please try your best, see this video 2 times and solve yourself. Don't copy as it is. Okay, now I am taking example number 6. See, example 6. I am reading from the textbook. First and last term of APR, yellow, A equal to 17 and last term L equal to 350. This is given to you. If common difference is okay, B is also given to you. Now how many terms are there and what is their sum? How many terms are there means what? N equal to question mark. And what is their sum means Sn. These two things are asked. See, A is known, D is known. L means we can take N. So, L is also called nth term. See, you know N, you know A, you know D, you can find N. I told you, if we know A, D, A, N, we can find N. See now, A, N formula, सीधा सा लिखेंगे सर हम. We will find easily. A, N is 350. Put the value. A is known to you, 17. N don't know. D is known to you, 9. 17 comes this side. 333 equal to 9n minus or only 9 bracket n minus 1. See, 17 brought this side subtraction, transposition. We got 333 divided by 9. This side cross multiplication. We got n minus 1. Okay, now cancel by 9. See, come on. 9 3 27, 9 4 36. No, 9 3 37. Sorry, 9 3 27. 27 then what? 28 29 30 31 30 33. 6 6 पे 3 becomes 63. So 9 6 54, 9 7 63. Okay, remember it. So 37 equal to n minus 1. N1 is transpose, becomes 38. N equal to 38. Clear? If you are getting this, very simple. Here only for the students to understand, L is nothing but n, the term n. Immediately they are getting n, they are writing formula, getting answer. Okay, now they are asking us for Sn. You got n is 38. So S 38 you can find. Now see, S 38, better you can write formula. Now see, in this example it is made easy. They said this is last term, first term, n. तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे हम? n upon 2 bracket a plus l. It is totally depending upon student. Be alert. Okay, so n is 38. 38 upon 2. A is 17. L is 350. Okay, now see, 19 multiplied by 367. Okay, so multiply this. It's not necessary you are able to multiply orally. You should understand only. Okay, see students, multiply. You are doing this yourself, please. Okay, 6973. So S38 is 6973. Check properly. Very good. Now see, I hope you understood this. See video, watch example. Important is understanding what is given and how. See here we turn back to last term, a plus l upon n upon 2. Now I am taking example number. After this, look here. Example number 8 I am reading. Hey, it's very simple. I am simply reading and awakening you how simple it is. Look there. Find the sum of first 51 terms. First 51 terms. So what is value of n? 51. Got it? Whose second and third term? A2 is 14 and third term means A3 is 18. So A2 means what? A plus D equal to 14. A2 equal to 14 and A3 equal to 18. A2 means what beta? A plus D equal to 14. आपको मिल गया. A3 means what? A plus 2D equal to 18. Yes or no? And you are given n equal to 51. They are asking find sum of 51 terms. So S 51. Now see, from this example and this you will get A and D. If you know A, you know D, you know N, you can find S 51. Okay, please try your best. Right? Now I am taking example number 10. Example 10 or simple. देखो कैसे how it is simple. Very simple. See, I am reading. Show that A1, A2, A3. See, A1, A2, A3 dot AN comma dot form AP. Okay, and you are given that formula when AN is defined as first one. See, AN equal to, they are telling 3 plus 4n. Right? They are asking show that this is forming AP for this. Now we will find A1. Chalo ji, A1 3 plus 4 7. A2 yes, put value of n equal to 2, 3 plus 8 11. A3 yes, 3 4 12 plus 3 15. Now check D is what? 11 minus 7 4. Again D 15 minus 11 4. So we will say yes, forms AP. Got it? See here found D is equal, then we say it is forming AP. Okay, second also. See students, please look here. Second I am taking second part. Second part I am taking AN equal to 9 minus 5n. निकालो जी. A1 equal to 9 minus 5 equal to 4. A2 equal to 9 minus 10 equal to minus 1. A3 equal to 9 minus 3 5 15. Yes, minus 6. Okay, now we will find minus 1 D equal to minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Getting? Again from these two. Minus 6 minus 1, that is minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Again we got D is same. So we are adding yes, forms AP. I think you are understanding this. After solving exercise 5.3, I will make short assignment to check whether really you understood exercise 5.3 or not. Okay? Please try your best. Now see student, look here. I am stopping this video. Then remaining next examples I will take in next video. Please watch the video 2 times. Solve yourself. See you.